Today we're going to add a handle to our mug. There's two different methods that you can use. One is to take and use a shorter coil and then bend it into a C shape. The other method would be to use the same shorter coil and bend it into half of a heart or a question mark shape, like this. Okay. You can notice that as I'm bending it, it's starting to crack a little bit. That's an easy fix. I just need to take a little bit of water and rub the cracks smooth so it's cracking because it's dry. Okay. When I'm doing the C-shaped one, we'll start with that. I'm going to make my C shape and then I'm going to tap the ends down on the table so that I have a larger surface area at each end to attach. Now right there I squeezed a little bit too hard, so I need to kind of reshape that before I think about attaching this. I've also thought about that this is a handle that I'm going to use to eventually pick up the mug, so I want this to be long enough that I could put my fingers into it and comfortably hold it. Okay, so if you're making this for yourself, think about the size that you need. If you're making it for an adult, they will need a slightly larger one. So if I was going to use this coil, this would be a little too big. Now that I have my C shape, if I want to attach this, I have to slip and score. So I'm going to score these flat surfaces that I tapped onto the table before. I'm going to apply a little bit of water for some slip. Okay. And then I'm going to attach it to the seam of my cylinder where I joined the slab together. I'm going to pick this up, get an area where I need to score those spots gently, put some slip on, and then I can gently press these in. Okay. And then you will also want to take and gently smooth this end on. You could use your scoring tool to smooth those together. We don't want any rough edges around where our hands would go. So I would smooth all the way around those. I'll just do this a little bit right now to show you. Okay? So that's how you do the C-shaped handle. You'll get a handle similar to this. Okay? You know that your handle is too long is if you go ahead and attach it and it starts to droop a lot. This one is pretty good. All right. For the half of a heart-shaped one, I have the heart shape or question mark. I'm going to score down here on this inside bottom part of the heart, and then on the top outside part. So I've scored my two spots there. I need to slip them. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Think about the size. This is a good size. I can fit my hand in there. I need to go ahead and score on my cylinder. Add a little bit of water. And then I'm going to attach the two score marks together. And then again, you can go ahead and smooth in at the bottom part of your handle here. And then also this piece here you can smooth in. Carefully. Okay. And then once I have the handles done, I need to smooth them out so that I don't have any cracks. And that's your two options for your handles.